Hello and welcome to this GlobalBox.world tutorial. Today we'll be learning how to navigate and find a specific product from the home page. The locations in this video will show Abbotsford as the city and Canada as the country because of my location. If you are using the platform from a different city or a country, you will see that location. Let's start by looking at some products available in the country you are using the website from. Today, we will be navigating the search options available on this page to find the right product. These additional options help us to locate the right product without spending a lot of time. The first icon you see is the Home button, which is to return to the home page. Under Discounted Products and Promotions, you can see all the discounted products, featured products and mega brands in your country. Companies generally feature products that are always in high demand. The featured product option is great to find trendy and high demand products. Next is the Advanced Search option. This feature lets you perform an in-depth search for a product. The Advanced Search, as the name says, is a detailed way of finding a very specific product or product type. You can choose from a number of options on the top navigation bar as well. Next, we'll discuss the Shop in Your Area feature. This helps a user in locating products and vendors in a particular city, country, and even a postal code. You can even look for shopping centers in your city with this feature. The next option shows us the total amount of products available for purchase in the country of the user. We can click on this link and it'll show us all the products that can be bought in Canada. By scrolling down, we can see that there are a few other options that can guide us to the right product. Here you can see all the different categories that a product can be uploaded as. Let's assume that I want to search for some electronics. First, I'll make my way to consumer products. Then I will navigate for electronics in the subcategory. If you wanted to search for something specific, you can add more subcategories. You can see that the system shows us all the electronic products under the categories option. We have different vendors all over the globe shipping to my country of location. The next option is for searching by a keyword. Let's say I'm looking for a bike. I will type in the keyword and you can see that the system brings up all the products that match with the keyword. Now let's take a look at the Market Segment feature. Here the platform gives you an option to navigate from different market segments. Market Segments feature is useful for users who are looking for products in a specific segment. Let's assume that we want to buy some products in bulk for our business. Navigate your way to the option. The platform now shows us all the products that are available for purchase in the user's country under the Business to Business category. With the next feature, you can sort products with multiple options. The platform gives you the option to sort the products by price, title, popularity, and upload date. The last option on the list is the View option. This gives you the choice between a grid view and a list view. Under the grid view, you can see more items, but under the list view you can see more information for each product. In the list view, you can see additional images and product information. This concludes our tutorial session on how to navigate and find the product that you are looking for on the home page. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Also, make sure to check out our other tutorial videos on our YouTube channel. Thanks for joining this tutorial. Have a great week ahead.